Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do some succulent propagation. So these little succulent leaves, Alex, say hi. So these little succulent leaves have been lying on my bookshelf for probably about a week, and they're actually producing little babies at the ends. It is really so cute. So today I'm actually going to plant them up into this communal pot, and then when they get bigger I'm going to take them out and pot them up individually. So all I'm going to do is just wet the surface of the soil. Okay. There we go. And just wet the surface. I should have actually put some more water in there. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. Had a little bit of a malfunction here. And I'm going to just pop the leaves on the surface of the soil. Because like this one, for instance, has a little root coming out already. So just pop them down. Actually, wait, no, I'm going to do this the other way around. I'm going to pop them like this. Yeah. So the edge of the leaves point outwards, and the new plant is on the inside. So just pop them down, making sure to. And these are actually so easy to propagate. They're really, really easy succulents to propagate just from a leaf. The one thing you should do is that you need to make sure that when you attempt to propagate them, it needs to be a fully intact leaf when you take it off the plant. And I'm sorry about what she's doing, but okay, it's a playtime at the moment. So you need to make sure that you start off with a fully intact leaf and it's not broken or torn at the base, because then a new plant will not have had it. So that's very important. And I think this one we'll do like this and just pop them down. I can actually do it, yeah, this is what we're going to do. Wait, let's move it a bit more up this way. I love how I'm changing my mind about this every 5 minutes. Yeah, what's also great about just letting them lie around and start off is now I can actually take out the ones that did not make any new plantlets, and we can only keep the ones that we know made plantlets. Okay, these two will have to go somewhere else because they obviously can't go near because there's no space. So yeah, I'll pop those up. I'll pot those up now. So yeah, that's been quick and easy. The one thing I want to say is that when you do this, you want to keep the leaves still in bright light, but not in any direct sunlight. Also, when they are planted up like this, you also don't want them to be in any direct sunlight, but you do want them to be in nice bright light, but not direct sunlight, because these are actually quite sensitive to direct sun through glass because of the fact that the sunlight coming in through the glass is often magnified and burns the leaves. So nice bright position, and yeah, when your plants when they are a bit bigger, you then will just take them out and pop them up and plant them. Why do I always want to say and pop them up and pot them up? And so you can either do a nice communal pot, or put them in individual pots. I just want to see what's happening behind me. Okay, no, it's fine. Yeah, I'll actually also show you when you take off a leaf, you just want to tug one off at the base, and then, well, I actually want to say that they come off quite easily, but there we go. And they just come with just like that, but just make sure that the leaf itself is intact. You also don't want to keep it too moist when the plants are coming out, because these little plantlets, they are they're being fed, nourished by what's in the leaf. So at the moment, they don't need any water or anything when they're like this. But as soon as they start to make their little roots, then they need to have their own soil to grow into and take up water from. That's why it's actually great to only put them in soil when they've actually made little plantlets at the base. One thing to just be careful of is that you don't knock these around too much, because then it can take off the little plant at the base. So just handle with care. I'm going to actually just spray these again with my empty sprayer. What? Just like, give me a sec. There we go. That should be better. There we go. So I'm just going to give them a nice little soaking, and that's it. So you want to just keep these slightly moist. So just every now and then, when the top of the soil becomes really dry, just give them a little spritz, and that should be fine. When your plants get bigger and they grow into the soil, then you are A4 away. And then you can probably treat them like adults. I'm actually thinking I'm going to make a communal succulent pot with these. So that's going to be nice and interesting and something to look forward to. So yeah, I hope that you've enjoyed this video and that you've learned something from it, and that you can now also go and do your succulent propagations. I just want to say thank you for everyone who has subscribed and who's watching my videos. It really means so much to me. It means more than you can even imagine. Yeah, that's why I do this. That's why I make content and I put it out there to share what I'm doing and to share my knowledge with people. So yeah, that's really, really nice of you. So from me and Alex at the back, we will see you in the next video. Bye.